from
Good
Niti.
evening, ma'am. I'm
Namaste.
Swati B.Ed first year. I would like to know from you about productive use of time, time management in modern world in today's life, wherein which everyone is engaged, busy without productivity on optimum level. So, can you give your kind opinion regarding this?
Sure, Swati. It's so wonderful that you could get this question in your mind. Most of us think about this, but we don't do it. So, how to make your life or your time productive? Everybody has only 24 hours. We think I can do this, I can do this, but somehow or the other you get delayed or you postpone the work, and because you cannot complete the work. So, you have to program your mind to do that. How will you program? First of all, there is a method for programming. I'll tell you about that also. But before that, one simple technique or tip is everybody gets up in the morning, wakes up in the morning. So you record your time, what time you got up today. Okay, 6 o'clock probably. Then how much time you're taking for brushing, how much time you're taking for taking bath, combing your hair, how much time you take time to watch your mobile, like this. So you just monitor it and keep like a timetable for 1 week at the end of the week and what all tasks you want to do today's the night you go to sleep, no, you just see whether you could complete the work or not. Compare these two both, then you will understand where did you waste your time. Maybe you might have wasted your time watching mobile, maybe you might have watching TV, or maybe you're spending your time reading newspapers, or maybe you're spending time in traveling, or maybe in cooking, or watching recipes, or with your family, or with your children. So now you must divide the time after 1 week at least by comparison of these things, that where you can utilize your time, where did you waste your time, how you can mobilize it next week at least.
Okay.
For small children also we tell how many times you told lies, how many times did you not do the homework, how many times did not listen. At the end of the day they have to write it like this, then they will also score. Then you give them a grade or stars or something like that, then they will also improve. They'll think, oh, I wasted time here. So that is how I learned the time management, how you must complete within 24 hours this. And what we'll have a lot of time, ample time left out, because we can still do something, still do something, still do something. So it is very wonderful that you can do lot of things like this within this 24 hours of time. And you need time for rest also,
Yes.
because of that thing you get stressed out. You feel that I am not able to complete, so let me be awake for 2 3 hours more. Then what happens, that 2 3 hours, because you spend, next day you are dull and you are inactive, and you cannot complete the task because you are not slept the whole day. So 6 to 8 hours sleep is a must for everyone. At the same time you have to do the other things also. So the time management becomes easy when you schedule it out like a timetable. Just gather the information, but keep doing this at least for a week.
Okay.
Then you will know where you're loose. Sometimes you get annoyed. What is this? Am I slow? Why I'm not able to do this? Isn't it? Did you get
Yes.
that? Do you
Yes.
get
I
that?
do. I do.
Yes. Then you will think I'm incapable. I'm not able to. And you get scolding from your husband. You get scolding from your in-laws. Then you get frustrated. Think, what is this life? Why I'm not able to complete? Why I'm not able to read? Then you postpone the reading. You say, okay, exam is only later on. No? So, but must have time for everything, not only for yourself, for the family, for the, as a lady, it is thankless job, I should say. We have no retirement every time. Whether you work or whether you spend time with your family, whether you're outside, whether you're inside, as soon as the time you when you get inside the house,
Yes.
you must be prepared to go to the kitchen.
Yes.
Yes, you have only a span of time to remove your shoes and slippers or wash your hands or face and go to work, isn't it? That is a thankless job for a lady.
Yes.
But sometimes in some houses, men are helping them a lot, but not every house. Still, there are, like, I should say, orthodox family where they feel it is not men's job, it is only ladies' job. But then it is men's job also, we do that. And when men do that also, we are not satisfied because the kitchen is all messy when you go and enter. So you only have to do it.
Yes.
The children do it. But train the children also to do some work, and so that your work part will become less. They will also get trained in future also to do certain things. Okay, divide the work among the family. Don't everything do it by yourself.
Okay.
Then you will never find time. And where you are losing the time, you write down and then you talk to me. We'll tell you how to manage your time, how to adjust this.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, in your opinion, where do you, in just think about it yesterday, what did you do? Where did you waste time so much?
I think I didn't productively use in putting my efforts regarding my record work. I procrastinated thinking that I could do later, and it is like more of psychological distress than any other schedule. So I think I need to get rid of unease or, you know, coping with stress mechanisms or something as such. More
Okay.
of psychological distress rather than schedule.
Yeah. So what all spoke to you is only in general applications. But
Yes.
when you come to record work,
Yes.
in even in science BSc or intermediate also, they used to say that biology record, practical, that record, this record. We
Yes.
postpone it thinking that we can do it later.
Yes.
But you must then and there do it. Like every day timetable is given to you. Every day you know which timetable is coming, what class is coming. Suppose if you have to do a drawing of chlamydomonas, amoeba, or whatever it may be, you draw it roughly at least. So when you get time, no, you just go through a record book and do it. So like that way, you roughly start doing the everyday's work like that way. So when you record your whatever the class is happening, you will not see it. Then you don't keep it pending. I want to say that it will get accumulated. Then it becomes a burden for you. Really, it is a headache to complete the work.
Yes.
So then and there you do it.
Okay.
And here all the teachers are cooperative. Your
Yes.
peer group is
Yes.
very cooperative.
Yes.
So then and there you sit in a group.
Okay.
And group study always helps. I told you the classifications, know how to do it,
Yes.
do the work
Yes.
with the group.
Okay.
Suppose whether it is Krebs cycle or whatever this thing, you mingle with the group and discuss. Then and there write it down that the record work becomes easy.
Okay.
Glycolysis or Krebs cycle or whatever it may be. Just discuss in your group. Like early intervention. Suppose you want to discuss with them some point. Today, instead of talking about some movie, Charu Khan, that, these and all, you just discuss these points, write it down. Then it will become very easy. Like a minutes of the meeting.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your valuable
Namaste. Yeah.
information.
Yes.